Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Republik token. Ticker symbol is RPK. Now it was just announced that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on the Republik token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, it was just announced that the RPK token will be listed soon on Bybit in the spot trading zone. So listing date exactly is November 14th at 10 o'clock UTC time on Bybit. So if you're looking to get this token, all you would have to do is download Bybit from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search ticker symbol RPK. Then simply just buy the token, and that is spelled B-Y-B-I-T, Bybit. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over there. It is at REPUBLIK_GG. They have the gold verified checkmark, almost 1,000 tweets, has a link to their webpage there, republic.gg. 126,200 Twitter followers. Very well established Twitter here. A revolution to bring ownership and voting rights to the community you create. Republik equals power back to the people. So, and then you will find on that Twitter, one of their recent tweets is basically their Bybit listing announcement. It'll take you over to Bybit if you want to just click on that instead. Now it says, welcome to Republik, the world's first digital ecosystem designed to align the interests of creators and supporters. Republik is a revolutionary ecosystem of digital tools where talent and their audience can engage with each other in a mutually beneficial way. The symbiotic relationship of economics and trust will redistribute power from legacy platforms and distribution companies into the hands of creators and supporters, enabling better content and more sustainable careers. More than just a smart contract or payment method, the Republik ecosystem will encompass a transparent and equitable economic system, united by a common universal currency that reaches a global audience with an array of functions that help creators best monetize their work and allows for supporters to participate meaningfully in their success. Proof of legacy and proof of wealth. Unparalleled transparency enables a symbiotic relationship of support between creators and their audience. Supporting a creator is no longer just an act of charity. Instead, your support becomes a badge of your legacy, visible to others on the platform, allowing creators to quickly identify probable patrons. It's got a trustless management of future value streams, so creator tokens employ smart contract technology to enable trustless management of a creator's future revenue streams, thereby opening up a novel income avenue for creators and their audiences. Exposure and talent discovery, an arena that allows multiple streams of continuous head-to-head competitions that attract, showcase, and rank talent, where the rules of the contests are defined by the creators and not the platform. Also, virtual performance platform, a centralized high-capacity network that will be able to scale to large audience sizes numbering in the hundreds of thousands a second decentralized P2P network for bilateral intimate events with a slate of versatile pricing formats that a creator can utilize for their benefit. Republik is the ideal bridge to facilitate the transition of Web 2 content creators and their audiences to Web 3 while providing a familiar and entertaining environment. It equips creators with a comprehensive suite of tools to unlock the latent value of their interactions, thereby liberating them from the one-way street, unidirectional nature of the attention economy. Furthermore, Republik introduces innovative and meaningful ways for audiences to support creators. Now, you can find their full white paper as well. If you go to republik.gg, they have a white paper there you can click on that has tons of information. Their mission is to create a self-sustaining virtual economy where creators can maximize value from their activities. To achieve this goal, we are facilitating new ways for creators and their audiences to engage with one another, distributing value more equitably by removing all middlemen. We believe that the primary means of value exchange should be from the engagement between creators and their audience, not through monetizing eyeballs via advertising. We will start by creating an app that uniquely rewards users at every level of engagement within the platform, unlike current social media platforms that take their time and attention for free. And subsequently, we will make it easy for the audience to support a creator by investing in their creator's token, subscriptions to premium content, or paying for personalized interactions. Creators will keep all of their earnings on Republik. Republik essentially decentralizes well-established mechanisms in the world of sports contests, and talent management that have previously only been available to the top tier of creators. Web3 and smart contracts on the blockchain free us from administrative, operational, legal costs of sustaining these functions and allowing us to build a new ecosystem, one that is fair, more engaging, and simply more fun than what has been previously possible. Now on their page 2, you could also find a section to apply for moderator applications, ambassador applications, frequently asked questions. There's team and partners, blogs, events, rewards. They have lots of socials. They have a TikTok, an Instagram, a Telegram, a Twitter. There's a stakeholders section, the creator journey functionality, reward system, sustaining the platform, team and advisors, history and roadmap. But basically, let's just go over the tokenomics here. You get the idea of what this project is about here. So total supply of the RPK token is 3 billion tokens. 5% goes to public sale, 12% private sale, 38% platform, rewards and utility, 10% marketing, and then 20% operations, 15% team. And then at the bottom of their page, you can find white paper, app download to download their app, challenges, future features, terms of service, guidelines. You can log in, careers, you can subscribe to a newsletter, there's a creators section, all sorts of cool stuff on here. Check it all out, republik.gg, and you can find this token newly listed November 14th on Bybit. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.